Elon Musk announced Cardano ADA will explode to $500 per ADA. Cardano ADA news today. Cryptocurrency has an Elon Musk problem. In a supposedly decentralized industry meant to be impervious to any single party's influence, market prices seem to soar or plunge based on the force of one man's tweets. Today we are going to talk all about what Elon Musk just revealed about ADA and will ADA reach $100 in the near future. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 2nd of November, shall we? The Cardano price analysis reveals that the price has been following a downward movement for the past few days, as the bears have been constantly striving for lead. The short-term trending line is also descending as a regular decline in price has been taking place for the past few weeks. The price has been lowered down to the $1.95 level as a result of the latest bearish strike. Further downfall in price is to be expected in the approaching hours as well. The one-day Cardano price analysis shows that the price has been following a decreasing trend for the last few weeks. Although there have been instances where the bulls tried to take over the market, the overall trends have been in the favor of the sellers. A substantial decline in ADA USD value has been recorded in the last 24 hours as well, as the price moved down to $1.94. The moving average is relatively at a stable position, i.e. $2.04. The one-day and 4-hour Cardano price analysis is confirming a downtrend for the day, as the price has undergone a significant decrease in the last 24 hours. The bears have been leading the price charts for the past few days, and even today a downtrend tendency has been shown by ADA USD. A further drop in price should be expected as the hourly price chart is showing negative signs as well. Now let's get back to the topic. Charles Hoskinson believes that ADA is superior to BTC, and Tesla should adopt it as a payment method instead of the primary cryptocurrency. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, stated that the project's native cryptocurrency, ADA, is one of the greenest and most eco-friendly digital assets. He further opined that Tesla should choose it if it really cares about environmental sustainability. In a recent interview with Lex Fridman, Charles Hoskinson highlighted the benefits of his proof-of-stake blockchain platform, Cardano. He noted that the POS system is much better in terms of energy consumption compared to its rivals. Moreover, he surmised that Cardano and its native digital asset should be the first choice for Elon Musk's giant EV maker, Tesla. If they truly care about alternative energy, sustainability, carbon reduction, and carbon neutrality, you can't be in a system where there is no built-in mechanism to constrain the energy consumption. As an alternative energy company, Hoskinson stated that Tesla should focus on the greenest cryptocurrencies, such as ADA, and not the high-energy consuming Bitcoin. Apart from the ecological damage which it causes, the primary digital asset lacks many other qualities, according to Cardano's founder. Bitcoin is the least programmable of all the cryptocurrencies, and if you want to do interesting, sexy, and unique things, there is just no real way to do that. However, Hoskinson pointed out that all crypto projects are an experiment and hide their risks. Even though Cardano gained significant success recently, it is not 100% sure that in the future it will fulfill its goals. This is not the first time when Charles Hoskinson elevates Cardano over its rivals. In late May, he criticized Ethereum's network by calling it overrated and outlining a lack of vital qualities. Subsequently, he revealed his 3 reasons why Cardano is the better blockchain project. First, Cardano can operate with metadata, and also with automated regulation. In his opinion, Ethereum can only process smart contracts, while its rival can do that with governance and compliance. Second, Ethereum has never cooperated with local governments of developing countries to benefit their citizens, while Cardano has done that in Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Georgia. Third, Hoskinson opined that Ethereum has a very confusing structure, and the upcoming ETH 2.0 release will lead to the demise of the entire network. First of all, Ethereum is killing itself. They're replacing Ethereum with Ethereum 2.0. In the end, ETH 2.0 will kill ETH 1.0. So will Elon Musk accept ADA as a payment method for Tesla? ADA has all the qualities which Elon Musk is looking for in a crypto. This is possible that Elon Musk might look into ADA in the future. Now let's talk about what will Cardano be worth in 5 years. It is assumed that by 2023, Cardano may reach the price of $2.7. Even a considered pessimistic projection for Cardano, the experts at Wallet Investor predicts that ADA could rise above the level of $1.5 in 2021. They also opine that this could be the maximum price point for this digital currency in the coming years. However, Wallet Investor suggests that the price of Cardano ADA may drop to $1.2 by 2025. They still expect the price of ADA to rise progressively till December 2021. After that, you can expect the digital currency may trade within the range of $1.5 to $1.7 until 2024. In the crypto world, announcements and speculations are major drivers of the trading power of any coin. This is why you need to pay attention to these things if you intend to make a profit in crypto trading or as a crypto holder. Charles Hoskinson recently expressed no interest in repeating the economic model of the Ethereum ecosystem. This statement is coming after people hinted that Cardano was following the footprints of Ethereum. Charles stated that there's nothing valuable or stable in the current Ethereum model for the long term, so Cardano is not interested in creating smart contracts for improving liquidity from Ethereum. If you're familiar with this report, you may agree that this is expected. Cardano wanted to capitalize on dApp developers to promote a wider adoption, but has now realized that it is not a worthy venture. Charles Hoskinson now hints at a better trajectory for Cardano, and it lies in its developers and their ability to simplify the network for adopters. Will Cardano reach $100? While there are many potential catalysts and developments that should keep Cardano buoyant for some time to come, reaching $100 anytime soon would be slightly overambitious. For ADA to reach $100, it will have to rise nearly 3,300% from the current levels. While those types of gains aren't unheard of in the crypto space, one of the major near-term catalysts for Cardano has already been priced in. There doesn't seem to be any near to medium-term catalyst to push it that far. For the next leg of price growth, investors will need to watch how many developers use the system once Alonzo launches, and whether there are any technical issues. Cardano is also hosting its annual summit at the end of September, which could give another peek into what's next for the coin. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!